Okay, you guys, I'm camping deep in the woods. There's the entrance in my camper. I'm staying hitched up because I'm only camping for one night here. But oh my gosh, there's absolutely no one around. Thor is my watchdog, or at least I know he'll bark if there's a noise. Although when he barks, I want to know what's outside. Or maybe he's sleeping and doesn't hear a noise I hear. But what I'm thinking is I'm going to put this camera right here on the garbage can. I'm going to press the on button right there, and then I'm going to flip it around that way. Okay, keep me safe with it placed on the garbage can right there. You should be able to see all around me and what's going on outside at night. Are you going to tell me somebody's coming? I sure hope so. Or are you just going to play with sticks? Okay, this is the monitor, and I'm going to plug it into my Jackery, my power station I use when I don't have hookups. And the out-of-aux automatically comes on to channel 2. Oh my gosh, look at that vision. It is so crystal clear. And look at how much view we've got there. It's a very wide angle. I'm gonna be able to see all the way around my camper. Woo! I absolutely love my Jackery. I'm always discovering new ways that it comes in so handy, especially when I'm boondocking. There's many different options here, but I'm gonna show you one in particular, and that is the display setting. So you can set it for, oops, I hit the wrong button there. Display setting. So you can set it for 120 seconds, 240 seconds, or never. I'm gonna set it at 240 seconds, and then it'll go off, so I'm not wasting the battery. But if during the middle of the night I want to turn it on, I just hit this button right here, and it'll come back on. I'm using this camera for the very first time, and I'm blown away. But what am I gonna be able to see when it's pitch dark out? That's the real question. It's gonna be nice to know what's lurking in the woods while I'm here camping all by myself. Thor hears something. Oh, what is it? In about 30 minutes, this place is going to get eerie quickly. There we are. Yeah, we're all alone, buddy. You and me. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It gets a little spooky camping by yourself sometimes. It's getting darker outdoor. Okay, let's turn this guy on. There we go. You can see the garbage can right there. Should probably have adjusted that. I can't wait to see what this looks like when it's pitch dark outside. Oh, it just went to night mode. This is what it looks like outside, guys. It is pitch dark. I repositioned the camera away from the edge of the garbage can. I can see exactly what's going on outside my camper. Seriously, I cannot express how much this is going to just really give me peace of mind. I'm going to sleep so much better tonight. I hope you can see the fireflies out there. Look at them. I've got a story to tell you about this camera, and I think you're going to be surprised by what it really is. But first, welcome back, or if you're new here, hi. I'm Randy. I'm 62 years old, and I do a lot of solo camping in my little guy Max camper. If you love clever gear that makes small camper camping life easier and way more fun, you're in the right place. So you may have seen an earlier video where I installed a backup camera on my camper. And even though I have gotten a lot better at backing up over the years, let's be honest, every campsite is so different. So I still get nervous every time I have to back up my camper. So this camera has been a total game changer for me. Now I can actually see what's behind me when I'm backing up. And the install, there's no wires, there's no drilling, and I had this camera set up and running in less than 10 minutes. Well, a little bit later, the company that made that camera, RANDI'S, reached out to me again. They told me they have a brand new
dual camera kit that includes that camera, but it also comes with a larger monitor, and it also includes this second camera. And this second camera has night vision, and it mounts magnetically. So you can mount this thing on anything that's metal and where you want a second set of eyes. But here's the thing, my camper or my tow vehicle didn't have much exposed metal. So I told the company thanks, but I don't have a good place to attach the second camera. Well, flash forward a few days later, I had this light bulb moment. Could this second camera work as a security camera outside my camper? I messaged them back and asked them, and they said absolutely. So they sent me this brand new dual camera kit. I gotta be honest with you, I've been looking for a way to monitor what's lurking outside my camper at night for a long time, especially since I've been doing a lot of solo camping. So I wanna give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending me their solar dual backup camera kit with monitor, because this has been the simple security solution that I've been looking for. Okay, let me know, did you see that coming? Did you think that the camera I was using was designed for backing up? Okay, before I get into the pros and cons of this dual camera kit, the things that I'd want to know before I decided to buy it, I wanted to quickly let you know that I've added this to my shop page at randisadventures.com/shop. This is where you're gonna find all of my top-rated small camper camping gear, plus some special discount codes that you won't find anywhere else, including my special $35 off discount code for this dual camera kit. I also dropped the special discount link in the video description below if that's easier for you. Okay, for the pros, using this second camera as a security camera has really help me feel more secure and safe when I'm camping by myself. You don't permanently mount it, so you can place it anywhere, but you also get the backup camera that I've been using and loving. As I mentioned, this camera has given me a huge advantage when I'm backing up my camper. I'll leave a link to that video so you can see exactly just how easy it was to set up, and I'll also leave that link in the video description below. This monitor is a split screen monitor, so you can see both cameras at one time, or you can choose just to see one of them at a time. And my last pro that I think is kind of a big deal is this kit is reasonably priced. At the time of this recording, the two cameras, including the monitor, is just over $200. But with my special discount code, that's gonna get the price to about $180. Now, I think that's a pretty good deal. Okay, now, what could be better in my opinion? Because there always seems to be trade-offs with everything. And honestly, it's rare. But I don't have a con for this one. These cameras pass my 2 check tests. First, is it easy to use? Compared to everything else that I've seen, these have to be the easiest to set up and use cameras that I've ever seen. Please let me know what you think about them. Or let me know what you use for a backup camera or for security at night. I'm always learning from you. And secondly, will I actually use them? And I think you know my answer to that. I absolutely love these cameras. So I'm gonna give these cameras my honest Randy's rating, a 10 out of 10. And I rarely give out such a high rating. If you want to see even more small camping gear that actually solves real camping problems, I've got a playlist right here of my top rated finds. Click here now and I'll see you over in these videos next.